Let me show you how to use the ByTrading platform and make the most out of it. So as the name implies, it is a trading platform, right? But before we get into the details, I'd like to get this disclaimer out of the way that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial expert. So you endeavor to do your research and be responsible for actions taken after watching this. So with that said, I believe in the link in the pinned comment of the video and also on the Telegram page, and when you click on it, you find yourself here. You can change by clicking on sign up here since you do not have an account. So to sign up, you will provide your email address. A code will be sent to your provided email address. You go get the code, you input it here, you choose the password, you input the referral code. Use my referral code here, please, and then you click on sign up. So after successfully signing up, you will be automatically logged into your account, and this is what the homepage of the ByTrading platform looks like. Now, ByTrading is an interactive trading experience platform built by integrating real-time market data from Bitcoin. You can obviously see BTC28 here and prices of tokens from market data, right? ByTrading is an interactive trading experience platform built by integrating real-time market data from Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can obviously see there's BTC28 here and Ethereum 10. Of course, you can see prices of tokens here from market data, including Tron, Ethereum, and BTC, right? Since the data is sourced from the world's two largest crypto assets, the platform ensures transparency and openness at the data level. The platform provides a trading calculation tool, allowing users to operate based on the 8-stage trading model. This model divides the principal into 8 stages for step-by-step trading execution, which is formed through AI and big database trading predictions. So I'll be giving an explanation, an in-depth explanation of the 8 stages trading mechanism, right? So we've taken everything one after the other. So the mechanism splits the principal into 8 stages for batch trading execution, adjusting subsequent strategies based on stage-by-stage results to achieve risk control and optimize fund management. It is important to note that within the 8 stages, winning at any single stage will cover all previous losses and additionally generate profits. Don't worry, just listen as I speak. By the time I start executing the 8-stage trading, it will all make sense. Risk control and compensation mechanism. To enhance user experience and risk protection, users who use the platform calculation tool for 8 stages trading, including those following signal groups or personal trading strategies, in the event of losses within the defined rules, may receive 100% compensation for losses related to the 8 stage according to the rules set by the agent. Please note that all users eligible for the compensation policy must join the 5-minute signal group. So we're on the home page here, and there are different features here. There is invite here, there is news, there is mine, there's calculator, there's invite, simulation, follow, right? So let's start with the calculator here. So when you come to the calculator here and enter an amount, the system will automatically generate an 8-stage trading plan with the corresponding trading amount, right? So for period 1, this will be the trade amount. For period 2, this trade amount all the way to period 8. That's the 8th stage. So when making trades on this platform, you need to follow these amounts for best results. So here is the signal group for ByTrading BTC 60 seconds, right? So you're required to join. So to trade properly, let me click on mine here. So this is the amounts that I'm going to be trading with, right? Now let's go back to home and let's click on calculator here. So now when you come here to this calculator, you input your account balance here. So I have 1000 USDT. So I've imputed that. I'm on BTC, take note, right? So this is the trade amount for the first period. This is for the second, the third, up to the 8th period, right? So we're just starting. So I'm going to copy the first one here. And let's go back. Let's click on BTC 28. So when you find yourself here now, I'm going with 1 minute time frame. So whether we're going with small odd or big odd, small odd, and all that depend on what we get from the signal group. Now let's go over to the signal group. I believe in the link to the signal group in the description box and also on the Telegram page. Join the signal group. So when you find this one signal group, they drop signals every minute. So pay attention to the period ID. So the current period is 4 to 5, right? And the trade is big. So I'm not going into this one because the time is almost gone. So I'll just wait for the new signal and I'll go trade with you. Right now we have a new signal, and this one trade is small. Here's the amount. Now we copy it. That is it. Then I click on trade. So you click on confirm. Oh God, I couldn't do that in time, so I lost that. So I'll go for the next signal. So the result for the last one is a win, right? Now the next one is this. By 1, it's small. So small. My trade is amount is there. Then I click on trade. Then I click on confirm. Purchase success. Now we wait for the result. You can actually check your result, check the progress here, my order. So this is my trade history, waiting, draw. So time to draw is counting down. and it was a win. I won, right? So now you will continue. You go back to your calculator. So you pick this and you go for the next period. You continue like that till you get to the 8th stage, right? So that's how you trade your 8th step strategy, and this will be your net benefit. So on the 8th stage, you get 170 USDT, right? Now, after having seen this, let me teach you how to deposit on the platform so you can trade. So to make a deposit, or rather to fund your account, you click on mine here. You click on top up. You choose the network that you want to deposit in. Is it TRC20 USDT or ERC20? I prefer TRC20 USDT. So what amount do you want to deposit? Minimum is 10 USDT, right? So let's say, for instance, you want to deposit 100 USDT. So you click on 100 and then you click on top up here. So a wallet address will be generated. QR code is also there. So you can copy this wallet address, you go to your exchange and you send the same amount you input here. Remember the transaction charge of that exchange, right? Make sure it is not included in the amount you're expecting to receive, and you send. Recharge and transfer will be completed automatically within 5 to 10 minutes and will be credited to your account balance. The address for each recharge is different. Please do not save the address, otherwise the funds may not be automatically received. So this means anytime you want to recharge, you should come here and generate a new address. Don't go and save this address and continue sending money to it. Before each recharge or transfer, please be sure to check the address displayed on this page and complete the transfer as soon as possible. If the recharge does not arrive in time, please contact our 247 official customer service immediately. So after sending, you come back and click on confirm. And within the period of 5 to 10 minutes, your transaction will be confirmed and your account will increase by the amount you have recharged. So by the way, this is a demo account, right? So I'm going to withdraw from my main account now. So to withdraw, you first of all need to bind your wallet address. So from here, you can just click on the profile button and click on bind. So you are binding not fiat, right? So you click on add binding here and you select the network. Okay, you have ERC20 USDT and ERC20 USDC. Take notes so you don't mix things up, right? So you go get the address and you paste it here, and then you receive a verification code via your email. You go get it. So I want to use Bybit, and from here you click on deposit. You go for this option here, tap on it. So the USDT, you select USDT from the list. Now you select network, TRC20, right? And check the minimum amount so you don't end up losing your withdrawals. So this is the address. You copy that. You bring it over. You paste it here. Just click on the timer here. All right, it says my code has been sent, and this is the countdown timer. So you go check your inbox, and you will find something like this. So you copy this code, you leave the bracket, you bring it over, you paste it here, and click on confirm. You successfully bound an address, right? So let's go back. So after successfully binding, you can now withdraw. You click on withdraw button here, and guys, there's gonna be a fee of 1 USDT, right? So minimum withdrawal is 10, and then the fee 1 USDT, making a total of 11. So the wallet address I already bound is here. Withdraw application submitted successfully. All right, so my balance has been refreshed. Let's check the asset details here. You can see it's showing processing, right? So you wait for it. So the status has now changed from processing to processing successfully. So let's go over to exchange and see. So we're here on my Bybit, and look at this. My balance has moved from 0 to 8.99. Let's see the notifications, and it says I received 9 USDT. So look at it here in my history, 9 USDT. So now why you saying 8.99 is because the price of USDT has gone slightly below USD. So the different features in the platform here include invite from the menu bar. So from here you can get your referral link and go share with your family and friends, and as they join the platform you receive commissions 1% from level 1. So if they trade 10,000 USDT, you get 100 USDT commission. 0.5 from level 2. If they trade 10,000 USDT, you get 50 USDT. 0.3% from level 3. This means if they trade 1,000 USDT, you receive 30 USDT. You can go through all of these details here to understand even better what the platform is about. Then there's this middle button here. This is your trade interface. We have used this. I've showed you how to. And then there is the news about the platform, and the mine here is your profile. You can bind the wallet, you can bind an invite code, you can withdraw and also top up, right? So it's not only BTC 28 that you can actually use here. There is ETH 10, right? There is game start, and there is spot start, right? You can explore other features of the platform to maximize the use of the platform, right? So there you have it, guys. Thanks so much. This is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial expert, so you're unable to do your research and be responsible for actions taken after watching this. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.